My website ranking is dipping down. How can I diagnose and fix this issue? Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Sharma and I welcome you all to our channel Buddha's Learning. And today I will tell you about how to diagnose and fix the issue if your website ranking is dipping down. Friends, as we all are aware that when our ranking decline, our brand's visibility is also affected. This results into less traffic on your website, and if you are in a business, then it means less revenue. If you can identify the affected area and the factors that may result into decline, then you can enable to reclaim or even improve your rankings. There are tools available in the market which can help you in diagnosing this issue, that why your website ranking is dipping down. Some of these tools are SEO Clarity, Searchmetrics, and BrightEdge. Now Google also provides the tools which help you in identifying the traffic on your website, and these tools are Google Analytics and Google Search Console. With these you can identify those core areas which affect the ranking of your website. If you want to see that what is in demand and what is trending, because ranking depends on these factors as well, your website must have latest and updated content. So some of these tools which help in identifying that what is trending now, these are Google Trends, Trends 24, SparkToro, Glimpse, eMarketer, and Pinterest Trends. Now one question comes. Many of us might have this question that why my website's rank is falling. So there can be three possible reasons for this. The first reason is something has been changed on your website, and this change can be in any form. A folder might have been moved from one place to other, or the code may have been updated wrongly. The third reason can be your developer team unknowingly created redirects, because these three can lead to change in robo.txt file, which ultimately results into blocking of Googlebot from crawling and indexing, and these all lead to change in sitemap, which affects rankings. The second reason is Google changed something. And what are these changes? These are algorithm updates. Time to time Google announces and updates its algorithms. For this, I suggest you to please keep a check on Google's official Twitter handle, Google Search License. Suppose one algorithm is being followed now, then on Google's Twitter handle an announcement comes that we are going to update from this date, so you can update your content accordingly. If we take the recent example, then Google Search License has updated that before December 2020, you should update your content as per UI. If your website URL shows not secured or is not showing any padlock icon, then how so good your content is, Google will deteriorate your rankings. So you should update your content before December 2020. In this way, you should keep a check on Google updates. The third reason is external factors. Best example, you can see the search behavior which has been changed from February 2020 till date, and it is because of COVID-19. This coronavirus pandemic update, it is an external factor, and we can't do much in this because these are termed as out of control issues. So we discussed these three factors. Out of these three, the second factor is Google update, and the third one, that was external factors. So we can't do much in these two, but yes, we can update our content. We can keep a check on the first reason, and that was something changed on our website. For this, we should take help of Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So what we need to do, the first thing which we should do is we need to identify those high volume terms which have lost the rankings recently. For this, we need to keep a record of whatever we have updated on our website in recent time. If we can make them as the build or the release which was last updated on our website, so it will be a good idea. The second thing which we can do is to make a checklist of those items, to make a checklist of these items and share it with your developer team. And this all should include featured release schedule, the URLs added or removed, page speed, canonical tags, 301 redirects, sitemaps, and robo.txt file. And the third most important thing is, if you haven't make any changes in your website but still on certain keywords your ranking is dipping down and someone else has come on your spot, so it means they have updated their content. It means they have invested in content improvisation. So with the help of SEO clarity and search metrics, we need to identify what they have done extra thing, and on basis of that we should also improvise our content so that we can not only revoke our rankings but also improve it. So friends, that was all from my side regarding website ranking dipping down, diagnose and how to fix these issues. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. So we'll come with another video on digital marketing. Till then, bye bye, take care and enjoy learning digital marketing through our videos. Thank you.